Transferring funds is a constant in the digital world, but when you're dealing with a sophisticated payment solution like Lemonway, terms like P2P take on a specific meaning. So, what exactly are P2P transfers within the Lemonway ecosystem? In its simplest form, P2P stands for peer-to-peer. For Lemonway, which powers marketplaces and crowdfunding platforms, a P2P transfer is a transfer between two payment accounts within the same platform environment. Crucially, this isn't about two friends splitting a restaurant bill. It's about movement of funds between different participants on a platform that uses Lemonway's payment services. Imagine a crowdfunding platform. When an investor's payment account sends money to the project's payment account, that's a P2P transfer. Another example is a marketplace. If a client's payment account sends the purchase price to the merchant's payment account, that's also a Lemonway P2P transfer. These transfers are managed internally, and they are subject to Lemonway's Know Your Customer, or KYC, rules. This means both the sender and the receiver accounts must be verified, ensuring a secure and regulated flow of money. The system also handles the automatic deduction of any applicable commissions or fees, making the process seamless for platform operators. Essentially, Lemonway's P2P transfer is the regulated backbone that allows funds to move securely and compliantly between users on a digital platform. It's a core component for running a modern, multi-sided payment system. If you run a platform, understanding this ensures you know exactly how the money moves from one user to another.